I hope you guys are doing well. So basically, if you stumbled across this video, you probably run into a similar issue that I have. So you're going to apply for this accelerator, this competition, and they make you do this video where you're supposed to introduce yourself. And you're like, all right, well, hi, my name is Bailey. I'm the founder of Agile Care. But like, it's just so awkward just talking to your screen. Like, I can't do that. Like, who are you? I don't know who you are. But see, it just doesn't make sense. Like some people can just like talk and talk and talk and talk, and yeah, I don't get it. But anyway, what I just figured out and how you can get better at talking to your screen is you just like do this. Just wait for it, right? So then you just do. I don't want to be a chicken. I don't want to be a duck. So I shake my butt. And then suddenly, like, then you can talk at your screen. And so that's what I did a few minutes ago. And suddenly I made this video. So try it out, give it a shot, and let me know how it goes.